For someone who travels as frequently as you, PayZapp is a one-stop for all your travel booking solutions, right at your fingertips. Book flight tickets and hotel stays hassle-free with a few easy steps. Launch the PayZapp app on your mobile device. Go to the Shop tab to start making travel bookings. Select flights, then enter your departure and destination cities, pick travel dates, and click on Search. Browse available flights, choose your preferred online travel agency, and click Book to continue. Review the details and proceed. Enter traveler and contact details, then continue. Review flight details such as baggage, seats, and meals. Accept the terms and conditions, and proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment mode, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Pay Now to complete the flight booking. Here, an HDFC Bank card user can even redeem reward points to pay up to 70% of your flight booking amount. Now, for booking a hotel stay, go back to the home page, tap on the Shop tab and select Hotels. Enter the city name, select check-in and check-out dates, add guest details, and tap Search. Browse the options, choose a hotel as per your preference, and tap Book Now. Review the hotel details, enter your contact details, and proceed. Choose your preferred payment method and tap Pay Now to confirm your hotel booking. Here, an HDFC Bank card user can even redeem reward points to pay up to 70% of your hotel booking amount. And there you go. You are ready to travel and explore in just a few easy steps. One app for all payment choices.
PayZapp by HDFC Bank. Pay your way.